Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Kash. And we are at the range. You know what I'm saying? Today's gonna be a special vlog because now we got lasers and we got extended mags. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. Bye. Bullet loader tray. I'm gonna use the bullet loader tray. First clip. Now, go ahead and load up the 32 round magazine. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be exciting. This one I'm gonna use the thing called here. Remember what this shit called? I think it's just like a magazine loader or some shit like that.
Yeah, this goes on the bottom.
Down, up. Slide. Down, up.
Oh, hey.
That's a full. I think so. It should be. My math is right.
I mean, even if it's not, you can.
I put 15 in here. So that's 30. This is 30 rounds right here. 30 rounds. And it's supposed to be 32, so that should be about 60, 64 rounds right here. Alright, so we got the magazines loaded up. So we about to get ahead and shoot. Kristen already got hers. You got yours loaded up already, right? All right, so we got both the magazines loaded. So we about to get ready and do some live fire. All right, let me show y'all some new specs on my gun. All right, so we got new grips. We got a laser, it's a TR-15 laser. We got a new slide. All right. We also got the conceal holster right here on the mounted on the slide. I rebuilt this gun myself, all right? So it's gonna be the first time I'm shooting it. It's the first time I'm firing it. So I rebuilt it. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of what the gun used to look like and what it look like now. Yo, I just broke the trigger on my gun, son. This shit broke. This shit is crazy, yo. Look at that shit. But we gonna see if I did a good job and if it's gonna let us bullets without it jamming. All right, so here we go. Look at that laser. Look at that laser. Is it popping up on the camera?
Not really. You right can't see. Oh, now it is.
Bring it closer. Bring it up. Okay, it went there. All right, take it back to.
It was at 7.
Yeah.
Huh?
5.
Right there.
Shooting low. All right, so I need to So we're shooting low. See how low it's shooting?
Yeah. You ain't do that last time.
I'm saying that's why I said the laser. That's why the laser has to be sighted. You gotta adjust the laser so that way, wherever you putting the laser at, that's where the bullet will go.
Got you.
So right now the laser's face high.
So that what that little tool is that you?
Yeah, that's why I needed that so we could go ahead and adjust it.
Okay.
All right, that was the first clip. So you up?
1.
Kristen.
Huh?
All right, good.
What?
Yeah, nice.
That this.
Good. See, it's hard to keep a steady hand.
The thing came off.
You got the thing? You got to get tightened. Do you have the tools with you?
Yeah.
So we having some malfunctions. The laser definitely is not sighted on my gun for sure. Her gun, we still trying to figure it out. The damn sight done came off. It ain't tight on there. I'll show y'all what we talking about.
That blue one, it looks like the purple when it hits the thing. Shoot it once to see how it goes. How does that feel?
Yellow more on than mine.
I saw that because that first one I shot.
All of those 3 right there, those are mine. Or those 2.
Mm-hmm, 2. I did the one on the far left, I think.
Yeah, that's good. Do another one.
You emptied that clip?
Just take it off.
Why does it slide like that? Because of the force?
Yeah, so we have a couple of malfunctions with shooting the guns and stuff, but you know, we're gonna figure it out. We gonna get it right, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So now your boy can get ahead and light up this 32 round mag, you know what I mean? So y'all pray for me. Laser is not sighted, so got me off on target, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm not able to really sight the way I want to sight because the so I gotta find an Allen key that I could use that will allow me get right on target. All right, so we're gonna get ahead and load up this 32 round mag and bust off a couple of shots. I put the clip in and the bullet stuck in the chamber. So we're gonna hope that this thing don't jam, all right?
Show the gun with the clip in it.
You already see what it is. 32 round mag.
Okay.
On 32.
How'd that feel?
It felt good. I'm just mad that the sight is not lined up. It felt good though.
Pull it in.
And I'm proud of myself because I rebuilt this gun and this shit worked, nigga. It
Good
worked.
job.
You feel me? But the sight is throwing me off. The sight don't work. You know what I mean? So I think I gotta go back to the old school way, using the rear and the front sight in order to line it up because the laser is not gonna get me there at all. Yeah, we done shot this shit up.
The thing about it is I like it because I felt like it helped. Now my shit about to be all off.
Just don't shoot the clips off again like you did last time. Bring it up, too low. There you go. Bring it up. There you go. That was high. There you go. Done. I know you don't be paying attention to when that slide come back.
No. Was that even close?
Nigga, we need another target. This target is done. Like, this target is done.
Do you want it back further? Or you want to keep it at 5?
No, keep it at 5. Today we keeping it at 5 yards because with these lasers and the fact that I rebuilt my gun and yeah, target is all off. all off. So we gotta figure out how we get an Allen key and adjust the laser. And then what?
Heart area. That shit is weird.
Yeah. It's a piece of work. Yeah. I'll tell you what, because I gotta reload this magazine. You know, I got those done. If you're gonna go buy another box of bullets, you might as well go get them now. And you go get a box of bullets while I'm loading. So by the time you do that and this, hopefully we both be done around the same time. Okay. Yo, this shit is crazy, yo. I got a bullet inside my hoodie. Like, not inside my hoodie, but like internally inside within the fabric, between the fabrics. How the hell it got there, I have no clue. Look, this is a bullet. Well, the casing, the shell. And I try to turn my pocket inside out, and I still can't get it out. Always struggle with loading these bullets, man. Loading the magazines. Like, I don't think there's nothing that's gonna help you. Yeah, she got.
Don't you ain't got to show them. You don't have to show them. That's your people. They know it, they're not mine. I don't need them in my business. No.
Show them how you load the tray.
I don't know if anyone's gonna stick.
You need to count them. You know how much you put in there. You just be going through the motion, and then you don't know how much you put.
Pass this a little bit, right? Cover that, right?
Get the 10 round.
But I'm saying, I thought it would go further.
You said what?
I thought it would cover the whole thing. It's okay.
What do you mean cover the whole thing?
The whole hole. Never mind.
She said she thought it would cover the whole clip. Hold on. Look at this shit. What number is this going up to, y'all? Y'all see the bullet and where it go? Okay. Alright.
I'm gonna start my fucking YouTube channel. Clown your motherfucking ass. Pretty excited to go down.
Yeah. It's crazy, y'all. So she just brought a box of 50 bullets, and I got about 60. So we're gonna let Kristen let us some more shots, and then I'm gonna go through these 3 clips, and then once I go through these 3 clips, we out of here. All right. Yeah. Catch you on the next clip. Well, go for a circle or something.
A circle?
Go for the left. Go for the left one. I'll go for the right one. What?
I shot the clip off.
Again? I should have never told you that. God damn. Bring it back for a fall. This nigga got a thing for shooting the clips off the fucking target.
Get one from the next door.
No, you go get one because you shot it off. Jesus Christ. She don't even do this at home.
Go ahead. Go ahead, fucking
Don't even do this at home. Alright, yo. We about to let her for 15. Alright. It's going low, man. Going low. Like the gun is really shooting low, yo. I ain't too happy about that. I gotta figure out, like, how the fuck I'm gonna get this shit adjusted. For real.
Are you on 8?
I think I'm on 8, yeah. Sorry, y'all.
Damn, you shot the ceiling, yo. Good. Here you go shooting the clip again. Bring it back.
I wasn't even aiming for up there.
Look, you shot it right off. I told you. This nigga is a shooting clip ass boy. Go get another clip. Go get another clip, yo. God damn. 3 clips later. Here we go. Jesus Christ. No, that you was aiming low. Yeah, just do what you do. That's it, Chrissy.
What?
Why is your bullet in my damn gun?
I ain't have no extra, so that shouldn't have been my shit.
That is yours. Let's say 380. This is yours.
I don't know how I got over there because I didn't have but the 25 that I had.
This is by far the worst shooting session we've ever fucking had. I mean, we only had 2. And both of them were bad. They both were bad. Both were bad. Not saying I'm putting it on you. I'm just saying the experience was bad. Last time the fucking trigger broke. This time the laser's not sighted. Can't sight them.
That's all right. We'll have a good one. Maybe the 4th time is a charm. I feel like it's bouncing.
What's bouncing?
The laser.
It is. It's in the flickering mode. I had put it in that mode, but now I can't get it out the fucking mode. Maybe you gotta hold it and do it. Is it off now?
Yeah, it's off.
See, every time I do it like that, see how it jammed?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's too much. See? much spring. Is that what- Why does it keep doing that? Maybe because the magazine ain't meant for this. You know what? You don't got no more. You only got those two, right?
Yeah, but go ahead.
All right, I'm gonna go for the head.
The head?
Yeah.
All right.
Got jammed. That shit key. What was one that fell? Or maybe. That's because he was shot the first time. I can feel the difference though in it. Yeah, but see, it keep hitting. Like it's not coming all the way up. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
So the problem that we having is that a 32 round magazine has probably way too much tension on it, and they keep making the gun jam. So we're gonna take some of the bullets out, load up another clip, and see what happens. That was smooth. You saw how smooth that was?
So then it works. You just took some out.
32 rounds. I think we got some adjustments to make. Definitely got some adjustments. Look all that gun. Let's clean the damn gun. Look at the front.
You guys finished?
Yeah.
What lane did you have you on?
11.
Military, law enforcement, everything like that?
Military.
Military, I see it right here. Got that discount on there for you. It's gonna be $36.42 today. You are all set to go. Need a receipt or anything?
Nah.
Yeah, you guys are good.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy the rest of your night.
You too. Jesus. Well, at least this time, I was able to get off 100 rounds. So that's good. I was able to get off 100 rounds. But I really was not happy with this session at all. Once again, I found myself frustrated. Yeah, I gotta figure out this laser thing. And I guess I can't put 32 rounds. 32 rounds is too much. It's too much spring tension. So it's not loading up. It's not, when the slide go back to load up the bullet, it keep jamming. And we don't want that. We don't like that. So you might be able to, when I took out about, I don't know how many I took out.
You did a whole clip and a few more.
Talking about that, how many rounds I took out of the
Probably
32 round mag.
Probably half. Damn near. Between 10 and 15.
Probably about 10. So I say about.
No, because you filled up one clip, but you had already taken some out too, so it was more than that.
I think if I put about 20 or 25 rounds in that 32 round mag, I think it'll be okay. But I think anything more than that is gonna cause the gun to jam. And my gun don't jam. But yeah, that was just a lot of spring tension on that magazine. But I'm glad I got it, because either way, I'm still able to put more bullets in there without having to reload so many times. So that magazine is like 2 clips in one, but I think a clip and a half is fine. But yeah, very frustrating experience. How did you feel? Be honest.
I felt good until I was fucking up and you corrected me. Not that you're wrong, and I'm glad you did. But I didn't realize I was making that mistake. But the laser on mine, I feel like did good.
The laser on yours did do good.
It could have. I just wish I had a little bit more time to play with it. But I feel like it was on point, like it was lined up right.
I did better with using the rear and front sight rather than using the laser, because that shit is off, like off bad. It seemed like the laser itself is pointing up. It seemed like the laser is pointing up, but then it seemed like the gun is going down. So it seemed like the bullets is going down, but the laser's pointing up. Because I'm like, I'm fucking aiming up here, but yet I see when the bullet hit, it's going low. You know what I'm saying? So the laser itself is not straight. It's like kind of like this.
All the way, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it needs to come, the laser got to come down. So I just got to get an Allen key. I got one at work that should work for that. Hopefully I got one that's small enough. I think I do. That should work. But
Harvard Freight is not too far from here, because I think that's one that's in Major's Road.
what about Harvard Freight?
I was saying if you didn't have one or you didn't know if it was small enough, we could have went by there to see if they had one.
No, I got a whole bag of Allen keys at work. So tomorrow I'll just try to bring one home or something. And I mean, it really don't matter because I can't really adjust it at the crib. But I just gotta make sure that I have it with me next time to be able to do it. But in good news, I rebuilt my gun. And that shit worked, nigga. That shit worked. You know what I'm saying? My shit worked. So for anybody that doubted me, there's 2 people that asked me too, are you qualified to rebuild a gun? Can you rebuild a gun? Yeah, nigga. Yeah, I can rebuild a gun. But listen, I hope y'all like this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Holla back at your boy.